All right, we're going to do a brief introduction to variables. And straight from the documentation, a variable is a storage location for holding a value. I like to think of a variable in some ways kind of like a post office box. As a post office box has a physical location, at the post office, a variable will have a physical location in memory. A post office box will have a mailing address. A variable will have a memory address. And the post office box will only accept certain things. You can't just mail anything. A variable will only accept certain data types. And the post office box, while it can only hold so much stuff before it becomes full, a variable also has size expectations, though in some situations it is able to resize. And just as the post office box's address and variable name stay the same, both of them can have their contents changed out. This might seem a little bit of a kind of a deep dive, but hopefully down the road when we start learning about things like pointers, which are a special kind of variable that holds a memory address, this will help this kind of sink in and make it a little bit easier to grasp. Anyway, looking at our example here, we have our variable with var, which is our Golang keyword, and which is followed by the name. So name of variable is age, and our type is int, short for integer. We assign the value 25 to it, and we are going to go ahead and print that variable right here, and then we're going to go ahead and reassign that variable with a value of 26 instead, and then it will print again. So let's go ahead and try it out. And there we go. So think of variables as a place where you can store values and change out that value as needed. And you can change the value as many times as you need to. All right, see you in the next one.